Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be my top 5 Nerf guns. This is my Nerf arsenal. Oh, wait. Okay, my other Nerf disruptor right there is gone for some reason. Don't know where it is right now. Find it eventually. But yeah, so this is my top 5 Nerf guns. Let's get into this. So my number 5 Nerf gun, I would say, the Nerf Vortex Praxis. Yes, I know this line is discontinued now, but what's so bad about it? It comes with a 10-disc magazine that you put in the gun, put on like that, and then you fire. It has a whole bunch of locks in this gun. Yeah, it comes with a stock. It has a stock adapter, one tactical rail at the top. Wait. And if there's any jam discs, you right here. You click it like that, and that's how you get this gun. And the magazine releases. Look at that. I love how it's a back clip. They're just so useful. But you will lose your magazine. It's pretty good. I just call it a drop clip, drop mag. So yeah, that was my number 5 pick. Oh, wait, forgot to put this gun back up. I'll put it this way. So the number 4 gun is Nerf 2001 69 Lawbringer, I'm pretty sure. It's got the first Doom Lance gun beside the Vagabond. I think they were released at the same time. It's got a 12 disc rotating drum, hammer action, and it's actually a pretty good hammer. Except like the Persuader, it's actually not like all the way up here, the draw. It's nice and down right there. It also holds 12 in the stock, but I would not suggest using any in the stock since they just fall right out. But you should put them in, probably like about 3 would fall out. It depends on your dart fit. Comfy grip up here, and it's got 2 sights. So yeah, that was my number 4 pick. Okay, so my number 3 pick is quite a weird pick. It's actually Centurion. You know, on my top 5 Nerf Mega guns, I kind of made fun of the Centurion. I like it. I'm a sniper. It isn't a bad gun to me. I think it's actually a pretty good gun. I like the bipod it comes with and that. You prime like that. It's really long prime. Goes. It's got 1, 2 tactical rails. It's got a whole bunch of sling points. I actually think it's a pretty comfy grip for me, but I am a child, and for an adult it'd probably cracked. It's got jams right here. It doesn't use most Nerf guns. The better the darts, the less they'll jam. Same, especially with this. The better the Nerf darts, flawless. Bad Nerf darts, it'll jam up probably if you got lucky. You get like 10 feet of bad guns, bad Nerf darts. So yeah, it came with a 6-round mag release, primary trigger, just stringer trigger and all that. So yeah, that was. So next up on this list is the Nerf Hyperfire. The Nerf Hyperfire is a pretty good gun. Yeah, it shoots 5 darts a second. It comes with a 25-dart drum, which I'd not suggest since it jams all the time. Not really good for tactics since it does not have a barrel extension, no stock extension, and only has 1 single tactical rail at the front. And you could maybe use red dot, but I want a red dot down back here, not all the way up there. It's got a jam door. It's got a whole bunch of locks. Well, it doesn't have that much, but it has a jam door lock. So you have to unplug this, open it, close it back up, and do that. Whenever it's open, you can just get your fingers dirty in that. It will not rev without the mag in, like all guns. If I click the lock, it's pretty good, powerful. And it's a pretty good performer. It runs on 4D alkaline batteries. It's got a whole bunch of sling mounts, and it's got a little front grip, not a tactical rail on it. But yeah, that was my number 2 spot. Okay, so my number 1 was really hard to pick. But guess what it goes to? I'll give you 5 seconds. I'm waiting. Comment below. Well, number 1 is Nerf Modulus Tri-Strike. It's really good. It's got not long draw. It shoots really good, really good. It has a 4-dart mega missile launcher. It's got a big missile launcher. You prime like this, and that's how you fire the missile. It's got an air tank. And what's so cool about that is you can take this off, and you can make it become its own little nuke launcher. And then you got this. You can take off or keep on, but it's actually pretty good. It needs a little bit. It's a really bad seal, but it's still pretty good. And main blaster, great. It's got 1 tactical rail, barrel extension, stock extension. It's magazine, so it comes with 10 dart mag. So in total, you would get 15 darts, but there's 3 different types of them. So it's got a nice skeletonized, comfy grip. Yeah, that was my number 1. So yeah, I have 1 more category. So you just wait for that. Okay, so I was debating doing the pistol category, but I'm doing it now. And I actually have 3 favorites. So number 3, the Jolts. Number 2, Fire Strike. And number 3, and best one, the Disruptor. I really like this one. It's basically stronger without this piece and doesn't eject. It's got 1 tactical rail right here. It's got 2 sling mounts. It's got slam fire. It's got prime indicator at the back. Yeah. So that was it for this video, guys. Like, subscribe, see you in the next one. Peace.